So I think there is a leopard right there in front of me because I heard a sound of roaring. So let's move slowly and I will try to capture. Let's come with me. So it's very dangerous to be here. As you can see, there is so much peace and you cannot find any human being here. See the sound of birds. They are talking about me. They are saying that there is a guy with phone. He's recording us. So be dressed well. And now let's move towards this direction and we will try to find which wild animal we get to see first. So let's come with me. So first of all, let's see which bird is making this sound. There it is. I can't where there. Still I could not find him from where he is speaking. Oh, there. See. This one. And one is there that side. Hey, see. So now I am moving ahead in this direction and let's see what more we get to see. And here you will find only these kind of rocks and trees. It's very difficult for me to walk from these bushes and these forests. As you can see, there are small plants and they almost touch the ground, so it's difficult for me to walk while standing. And here I think it's dung of blue bull because they lives in this area. And there is so much peace here. I think someone is coming from that side. Let's move. It's so much scary to be here because in my mind always a wild animal is coming, like I feels that someone is watching me. I can't see him, but I am 100% sure that someone is keep an eye on me from behind these bushes. Let's move. I got scared seeing this. I thought it's a big snake. See, its branches. It goes like that, and I got scared after seeing this. I thought it's anaconda, but it's not. And see how its branches are. It's like puzzles. Now let's move ahead. You should not spend too much time at one place in forest because that is very dangerous. You should keep moving, and when you see any wild animal, don't try to bend down. You need to stay straight, stay tall, and look into their eyes and slowly took few steps back. Don't try to attack on them, just be quiet and move backward. So drinking point, but here I could not find any wild animal. Now it's time for me to move ahead. There are water all over here because they have filled that water point for the wild animals. And there I saw a peacock, but she's behind these bushes. Oops. Let me show you from this side. I hope you guys can hear my voice because I am speaking very slowly, because when I speak loud they get disturbed. And here is a peacock. See, she went. See how beautiful she's looking. If you guys can capture, if you guys can see, she moved away because she heard my voice. So let's move here. So here I saw footmarks of, I think it's a leopard, maybe, because one is here, and see, then again there and here. That, I think it look like of, I think maybe, I think it's footmarks of blue bull, I think. Yeah, blue bull, because again I saw dung here, so I'm 100% sure that it's blue bull. I have arrived at a place where few days back I saw otter. I also was that for the first time, and that's a really strange and thrilling experience for me, as he was standing in front of me right there, and from this exact same position I captured him in my camera. So let me show you. So that's the exact place where he was standing, and we both started staring at each other, and he looked at me for I think 1 minute, and then he moved inside that forest. So today I was just hoping so, but he was looking very cute, so I was just hoping I can get to see him today again, but I could not find him. And this area goes down in the forest, and here are many signs of blue bulls. Guys, see how dangerous this looks from here. It's so much scary because of wild animals. And as you can see, they have collected small wood so that they will use it for cooking food. Usually some people, some, not some, I think there are one or two people lives behind these forest, and they used to collect forest wood, and they make them in cooking food. So it's so much peace here. So let's move. Guys, it's really thrilling. As you cannot find anyone here. And there is a big hole. I think there must a snake may be living in that. And there is again dung of blue bulls. There is something made there for sitting, I think. It has almost 1 hour and I could not find any wild animals. That's so strange. Maybe it's afternoon and they all are sleeping. They might be taking rest. That's why I could not find them. So let's move towards other direction. In my next blog, I will try to explore this place because I have never been in this direction and this is very dangerous. So when I will come with my 4 or 5 6 friends, then I will try to go from this side and I will not forget to take big sticks. And there is a bird sitting over there. See, this one is making sounds. So now let's. I think they get excited seeing a human being, and they have cut down the trees to people who lives here so that they can use it. Now I am moving ahead. You know, in forest, chirping of birds also considered as dangerous. When they start chirping or when the forest gets quiet. See, there is a squirrel. There are so much birds in these trees, and see the squirrel. He's also watching. I get so much scared because 5 or 6 birds are fighting over there, and they make a big noise. I thought of some wild animals. So just hear the voice of this bird. This is very strange. Oh my god. I think it's a woodpecker. I have never seen these kind of birds before. Guys, just let me take a closer shot of him. I saw him once, but now I think where he's at. I just want to see him once again. So guys, here they are. See, they are in numbers. See, this is the bird I was talking about, and he looks so pretty. Thanks for coming closer. So guys, see how beautiful they look. So guys, here they are. I have been looking for them, and finally I get to see them. See how beautiful they are looking. They are 4 in numbers, 2 here and 2 this side on these branches. See, here and here. Thank you so much for giving me the best footage. And for I think almost 1 hour I was looking for them. So the finally it's worth it to wait for them. Oh, she went to that branches and one of them is sitting there. See, I think this is a most strange. I hope you guys remember I told you that this is the forest where you can see many birds which you have never seen before in your entire life. And this is one of those birds which I see for the first time. I saw it there. Then I get fascinated towards him, so I can decide to take a closer shot, and I get succeed in that. And here are also many squirrels. So now moving ahead, I'm so happy so that I discover her, and they are sitting here now. I just want to keep staring them. There are many squirrels here. I think six, seven, eight. See, one is here, the other is, and oh my god, they said, look, they are in numbers. I just want to go close to them. So here you will see how many squirrels are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, it's more than 10. Should I go close to them? Because I don't think I should go there because I don't want to disturb them. It's their home. But I just want to go and take a closer shot of them. Let's see what happens. Oh, they all ran away. See, he is coming from trees. And one is coming from that side. He is looking at me. So let's come a little closer. So I came so close to them, and let's see, they are not getting scared of me because they are habitual of people, because lots of people came to this place and they give them food. I think that's why they are not getting scared of me. So it's done for the day, and it's okay as I could not find wild animals. It's not cup of tea to find them every day, but I get to see some good birds and I get to see squirrels from this much close, and I'm so happy. And now just I'm fixing my shoes, and now I am going towards the home. So let's come. We'll try to explore some another day. Saying goodbye to me again.